having my practical examination, which you can tell by the condition of me. I'm having my practical examinations right now, and today was my first. It was biochemistry. My viva was taken by HOD of biochemistry, and it was like something I expected, but really did not wish that would happen. And I only have now. Tomorrow I have physiology, then day after tomorrow I have anatomy, which is 3 consecutive days. And basically I'm turning 20. My phone storage died, so I had to clear off a few videos. I'm basically turning 20 this week, which is no, actually next week, which is pretty exciting. So I'll be vlogging my last few days being a teenager, and also I'm traveling home on my birthday. I mean, not on my birthday, before my birthday. So tomorrow is physiology. I'm going to study physiology after napping, and then I'll study physio, then give the practical. I'm not even worried about physiology practical, I just am worried about the grand viva stuff. And then for anatomy, I'm worried about everything. So yeah, let's see. We're gonna have lunch, then nap, and then study again, then give the paper tomorrow and get done with it. Hello everyone, this is my first ever hostel room, and you know it by now. I must have shown it somewhere or the other. The condition right now is so bad. It has never been this bad, not even the time when I moved here, but right now it's really bad. The reason I am shifting to another hostel, and also I had exams, so I have not been getting. But that's not the main point. The point is I'm shifting, so I just have to reorganize my stuff. I could not believe, I still remember the day I moved to this room. It is still so fresh in my memory. Like, I don't feel like I have lived here for 1 year. Like, not even complete year, but almost a year. Like, right now I'm going to pack a lot of stuff and I'll take you guys through. Let me tell you guys, I'm running on just like 3 hours of sleep, because today I had my anatomy practical and I had to pull an all-nighter to complete the syllabus. And now I don't know what to do, because everything is so messed up right now. There's so much of things to pack, and I'm so low on energy, but I have a lot of work to do, and I have to do it by now, okay, because I have to leave tomorrow for home. I'm going home for my study leave for my university exams. See you guys later. I'm keeping my drawer stuff in this cartoon. Do you guys want a montage? Waiting for like 45 minutes now, and I am literally so tired. Like, I can feel the pain in my transverse abdominis muscle and external oblique muscles, and because yesterday I shifted my room. I'm so fucking tired and I look really rough. So let's see. I feel like people are staring at me, but do I care? No, not really. Yeah, I'm waiting. They must be about to reach, because the last time I talked to my mom, it was 45 or 40 something kilometers, and it's been 45 minutes, so I'm pretty sure they're about to reach in like a few minutes. I am turning 20 next week. year. I think I've done a lot of things. Like I've seen a live surgery, which was not a typical surgery, but still a surgery. I have given a presentation, and then I have 2 piles of books. I don't have 3 piles yet, so maybe by the end of 2025 I will have 3 piles. So we're gonna keep it here so that every day I wake up, I have the motivation to study. Like basic motivation I need right now is actually to study. Like today is 1st of September. It is 10:20 p.m. right now, and I'm trying to study because I have my university exams coming up. I honestly have not studied much past few days. It's not like I don't want to study, it's just that it's hard to concentrate when you're home. I'm studying CNS right now, and after this I will be studying abdomen and pelvis, me, because that's what was in my agenda for today. And yeah, then I'll sleep.
बोलो भारत पूजन का वो समय पे पधारे
Dad don't give a shit about her. So don't give a shit about you, bro.
Nobody gives yaar.
Hello everyone. Today is 23rd of September. If you don't know her,
I guess everyone knows me till now.
I think everyone knows her by now.
Yeah.
Because she
I am her home girl, man.
inserts her leg into everything.
My favorite job to do. This is me after studying for all night. नहीं उठना.
श्रेया एक मैंने इसको बोला था 6 बजे आने को, ठीक है?
मैं कुछ कर नहीं
मैंने
सकती
कल
थी.
ही बोल दिया था.
बहुत ट्रैफिक था.
कल ही बोल दिया था आने को, बट ये आज फिर 6 बजे आके पूछती है कि मैं आ जाऊँ क्या? तो मैंने कहा आ जा. तो भाई मैंने इसको 6 बजे, और ये आई कितने बजे? 8 बजे आई है, और बोल रही है आधे घंटे. अबे ट्रैफिक में फंसी तो आधे घंटे ही फंसी ना, उसके अलावा क्या कर रही थी?
मैं 6 बजे उठी. मैंने चाय पी, फिर मैंने थोड़ा रील देखी.
बहाने मारने अगर
फिर उसके
सीखना
बाद
है
मैं
तो
7 बजे घर से
कांटेक्ट
निकली.
श्रेया यादव, मैं नंबर डालूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन
No.
में. बहाने अगर आपको मारने सीखने हैं, सो या ये बहुत बहाने मारती है हर चीज़ में.
हम लोग आए हैं गणेश आरती में एज ऑलवेज, पर चालू ही नहीं हो पा रही है. कहते
बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा चल रहा है यार.
अब हम आरती चालू होगी तो फिर वापस आते हैं. बाय बाय.
Yo, hello everyone. अभी चाय बन रही, जब तक I'm going to complete kidney. मेरा आज का गोल है finish abdomen and pelvis and then CVS, and अगर hopefully time मिला then I will also start with blood में मुझे नया topic करना है, that is blood clotting and hemostasis. So that is the goal for today. And today I heard a quote which said, you should not complain about having a lot on your plate when the goal was to eat. And I'm like, oh my god, that is so true. Hello everyone. It is 7:35 and मुझे बहुत बोरियत हो रही थी. Like मैं पढ़ रही थी but I could not concentrate at all. So I was like, what do I do? And I found out कि I can paint these elephants. ये मिट्टी के हैं, ये दिवाली के टाइम स्ट्रीट्स में मिलते हैं, and these are probably handmade, so very cute. I love these, but इनका paint is getting old now, so we were like, might as well paint it. This paint, I don't know what paint it is, but अभी मेरे घर में कुछ paint हुआ है. So, and it's a wooden color. It's like almost the same color as the one that I need. This is how it's turning out. I don't know. तो अभी मेरे साथ एक डिज़ास्टर हो गया था. मेरे एग्ज़ाम्स हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम्स हैं कॉलेज में. एंड बट अभी मतलब मुझे मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पता नहीं था कि हमें ये करवाना है. तो बेसिकली एक नो ड्यूज़ करके हमें फॉर्म लेना होता है लाइब्रेरी से, एंड दैट इज़ नीड टू बी साइंड. वो हर एक डिपार्टमेंट पे जाके यू हैव टू गेट इट साइंड. उसके बाद फिर डीन से साइन करवाना है. बट आई एम लाइक होम, और मेरी आखिरी डेट है 6th, क्योंकि यू हैव टू गेट ऑल दिस स्टफ डन, अदरवाइज यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू फिल द यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम का फॉर्म. सो I was like panicking yesterday because I'm here. और 6 तारीख को, today is 4 and yesterday was 3, so I have to leave tomorrow if I have to get it by 6, right? So I was like panicking because I don't want to go home. I mean, I don't want to go from home. So one of my friends, she got it done for me, and I'm so grateful for her. And now I will not have to go to college. A win is a win. So ओके, इसके पैटर्न्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा टोन डाउन हो गए हैं. सो मैं गेट रेडी वीडियो बना रही थी, बट मैंने नहीं बनाया बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक कौन ही बनाए गेट रेडी वीडियो. बट आई विल शो यू माई आउटफिट. ओके, सो वेयरिंग दीज वाइट पैंट, जो कि एक कॉर्ड सेट का सेट है, बट कॉर्ड सेट का ऊपर वाला नहीं पहना मैंने बिकॉज दैट इज़ लाइक टू समरी एंड टू नॉट फेस्टिव. अभी मम्मी का भी आउटफिट दिखाती हूँ आपको. तो ये है मेरी मम्मी का आउटफिट. सो मम्मी ने पहना है पिंक कलर का कुर्ता सेट. सो टुडे इज़ द लास्ट डे ऑफ Today is the last day of गणेश चतुर्थी आरती. कल होगा विसर्जन. सो हम लोग बहुत दिनों बाद जा रहे हैं, बट इट्स ओके. अगले साल जाएंगे रोज़. अगर मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी एग्ज़ाम नहीं होते तो मैं रोज़ जाती, बट एग्ज़ाम्स हैं. सो is 7th of September, and this is a week before my professional university exams start, and I am very nervous, and I will be leaving 2 days from now. So I will be leaving on 10th, so that I have 2 days to adjust into my college का माहौल. एंड ऑल्सो मेरे हॉस्टल चेंज हो चुका है, सो आई हैव टू ऑल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज अ बिट ऑफ माई रूम, बिकॉज अभी तो मैं अपना पूरा सामान अलमारी में शिफ्ट करके आई हूँ, बट आई हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज इट अ बिट इनटू द रूम so that I can live in it. But I'm very excited about life right now, like in general, because पहली बात, I am almost done with my first year, like officially done with the classes long before, but now I'm also going to be done with my exams in a month. Like 1 महीने from now I will be free from exams for 4 months again, and I'm so happy about it because second year is going to start and life is going to be chill again a bit for a bit of time. But coming to present, I have exams right now, and I have exams to not ace but to pass. For that I'm studying. Today I'm doing physiology. मैंने special senses अभी तक पूरी तरीके से एक भी बार नहीं पढ़ा है, so special senses is the big topic, so I'm going to do that now, and it's an important topic as well. Hey guys, update. I have almost finished special senses, and now I will start with reproductive physiology. So I will do that right now, and I'm so logged in. And my friend just texted me if she can come to my home right now. So I said to her, I am logged in. If you want to study together, then yes you can. So maybe she will come. Okay. But right now I'm going to make coffee for myself. hard to lock in because past few days I have really not been able to study as much efficiently as I would. But now from today onwards, officially like एक हफ्ता बचा है, so I have to lock in even if I don't want to. I just was thinking that I have not really studied a lot in so many days. Although I got such a long study gap, I have not really studied much, and I cannot really blame myself for it because the situations were just not best. But then I looked back and I thought that I have done my best, like I have done whatever I could in that moment. So I don't need to feel bad, and I don't need to waste my further time while feeling bad. Might as well, just utilize the time left. Today I was like, I'm not going to waste my time today because like I said, I only have 1 week left. So you either waste more time or you utilize that time that is left. Right now we are going to talk about something very unimportant. Since I started watching vlogs on YouTube, I don't know when was it. Even before like Indian vloggers were into the picture, I remember there was only one high school Indian vlogger. If you know her, it's Zoya Abbas. She used to make videos of her school life and like home life as well, but she was like a teenage YouTuber. And after that, a lot of Indian YouTubers came into picture. We used to vlog their school life and stuff like that. It was a dream of mine to actually like make a vlog at school, which I never really got to do because when I wanted to do that, hit lockdown, and so schools were shut down and it was online school. And then when lockdown ended and school finally started, I did not really attend school that much, and I was like not active as well in YouTube or anything. So now I'm in college and I can freely make videos, and I have made videos, but it just does not feel that great.
आज हम लोग पढ़ने आए मतलब मैं आई हूँ इसलिए घर पढ़ने ग्रुप स्टडी करने अभी लिटिल
आज मुझे परेशान करने आई,
नो
मुझे सिर्फ परेशान करने आई और कुछ नहीं
है। तो
आज अभी बज रहे हैं दिन के रात के 8:30 रात के 8:30
यस, और हमने कल ही पढ़ाई 1 घंटा।
सो एक मोन्टाज इंसर्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे जिसमें हम पढ़ रहे हैं।
मुझे 9 बजे घर जाना है, अभी हो रहा है 8:30, तो मेरे को आधे घंटे तक के पहले मुझे घर पहुँचना है, क्योंकि आज है क्या है,
लूनर एक्लिप्स है।
लूनर एक्लिप्स। खैर अभी 16 एक्लिप्स भी होगा तो हम वो भी देखेंगे चश्मा पहन के।
कौन अपन?
तो
मैं नहीं देख रही।
सो वॉच यार, डोंट यू हैव 5 मिनट्स?
नो,
कैसी बात कर रही है। अब हमारा होगा वापस लॉक्ड इन विद मोटिवेशन।
किताब तो खोल लो।
खोल रही है। खाने के बाद थोड़ा रेस्ट लेना ज़रूरी होता है तब तक पढ़ने के लिए। पढ़ रहे यार,
अब बाल भी बांध लो।
I'm very non-chalant and tall, so you know.
नॉन-चैलेंट होता है वो।
Nonchalant.
किसी और के सामने तो नहीं बोला ना आज तक नॉन-चैलेंट।
चैलेंज
पूरा ऑरा नेगेटिव हो जाएगा तेरा।
और कलर हो जाएगा।
नहीं हूँ अभी रिप्रोडक्टिव फिजियोलॉजी में पढ़ रही हूँ, आधा ChatGPT से, आधा किसी किताब से।
और मैं पढ़ रही हूँ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। मैं 4 दिन से प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस।
हम दोनों एकदम अलग
अलग
बैकग्राउंड से हैं।
हाँ, लेकिन यू नो होमीज है तो हमेशा टुगेदर रहते हैं। तो आज मैं अपना आखिरी लेक्चर पूरा करके घर जाऊँगी।
Okay, see you guys later. Hello everyone, today I am leaving for college day after tomorrow. I don't feel that great about it, but do I have to leave? Absolutely, because that is inevitable. It's 4:40 p.m. right now, so we're gonna have a quick study session. I mean, not a quick, but a study session, and we are going to finish logarithm today. Right. So we're gonna do that, and yeah, we're going to hang out. And today's weather is so amazing, and I would like to go out and have chill by myself, but I cannot do that because I have exams. But you should not complain about the food on your plate when the goal was to eat. Guys, आज फिर कौन आया है?
फिर आई एम बैक इन माई होम एज ऑलवेज। तो आज हम फिर पढ़ाई करेंगे, लेकिन यशी जा रही है तो उसे पैकिंग भी करनी है, तो मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पाएगी आज। तो चाय टाइम चल रहा है, मैं चाय पी के आई हूँ एक कप, लेकिन दिस इज़ माई सेकेंड स्लॉट या जो भी बोलते हैं। अब ये पीऊँगी, उसके बाद मैं साबूदाना खाऊँगी। व्हाट अ लाइफ यार।